Today, we're out in Ritzville at Curtis Cattle Company. Here in this beautiful valley, the Curtis family is raising Washington cattle for some of the best beef in the U.S.
When you work at a ranch, every day is a new job. You know, it's never the same thing twice.
Miles Curtis used to be a commodities trader in Portland before moving here to start ranching. Today, he uses his skill with numbers to run the farm.
Typically, we carry about 600, 700 at the home ranch.
How many total?
Never enough. If I could have 2 more, I could almost make a living. It takes a lot of work to produce a pound of beef. We're trying to make our beef akin to the wine industry because there are different nuances in beef. People have said our beef is sweet, which I've never thought beef being sweet, but
we should have a beef and wine tasting
we should.
I've been on the ranch as long as I can remember, sitting in a feed truck, sitting on a horse.
Miles' daughter Payton is a student at Cal Poly. She's studying animal science and hopes to move on to veterinary school at WSU.
Why are you here?
I am here because of COVID. I got sent home in March. I've been home for 6 months.
Payton used her time away from campus wisely, starting her own business from home, selling beef direct to consumers. She calls it the herd.
The idea of selling our beef direct to consumer has been a fantasy of ours for such a long time, and I think finally when COVID hit, I was sitting doing my online classes, probably wasn't paying the most attention like I should have been. I said, well, this is the time to do it.
COVID has turned the world upside down, but somehow I'm now working for my daughter, and that's really...
Yeah, that just makes sense.
Our whole family is very entrepreneurial. So, I mean, when Payton does this, you know, it's just, well, of course.
When the grocery store shelves were empty in March, April because of COVID and everyone's freaking out, there's a meat shortage, I think that kind of presented as an opportune time to, hey, let's educate people where your beef is coming from. Your beef doesn't come from the grocery store. This is where your beef comes from.
I'm super proud of her. She's just doing a good job.
Before we ended our day, Payton took me down to the pasture to see the cattle.
All right, hold on tight.
Your dogs follow you everywhere.
They are nuisances.
Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome. These are our winter calvers, and we have our wonderful fertilizer, natural fertilizer.
Absolutely,
this
natural
is as
fertilizer.
natural as it gets. We have a brand on their right rib, a 5C. It stands for the original 5 Curtises. My grandpa, my grandma, and their 3 children. Typically, these are older cattle that we keep on the ranch for the summer just because we know the grass quality is better and we know that they're going to be properly nourished to carry their calf all the way to term.
And they're like, we don't want to have anything to do with that camera.
I think it's important that people know where their beef is coming from. You know, with our product, your calf was born on this ranch, your calf is fed on this ranch.
Every day we're just doing little things, you know, and 1,000 little things turns into one big thing.
And it's paying off.
It is paying off. I need to live about 4 more decades and I will almost be there, I think, but you never know.